Hello and welcome back to the course of Stream Analytics with Microsoft Azure. This is the first case study of this section 4 where we are going to talk about an in detail step-by-step concepts on how to build a proof of concept on building the use case that's end-to-end social media analytics solution with Azure Stream Analysis. In this section, we are going to learn in the first video about the scenario discussion that the social sentiment analysis concepts within real-time solution architecture, the requirement of Twitter sentiment analysis in social media platform that's to be built with Azure Stream Analytics. In second video of this section, we are going to learn about the detailed configuration technique of Stream Analytics job and how to build the necessary platform in order to design the Stream Analytics jobs for Twitter sentiment analysis. In third video of the section, we are going to learn about the detailed visualization technique for a social media sentiment analysis and how to design an interactive stunning dashboard using Power BI for visualizing social media sentiment analysis where data is being processing in real time in Stream Analytics job and to be visualized through Power BI dashboard. This video is part of the section on building end-to-end social media sentiment analytics solution with Azure Stream Analytics, and this video is focused on social media sentiment analysis in real time with solution architecture. In this video, we are going to learn first a basic introduction to real-time Twitter sentiment analysis in Azure Stream Analytics. In second point, we are going to learn about the social media Twitter sentiment analysis that's in real-time solution architecture and in detail step-by-step solution architecture concepts of building Twitter sentiment analysis. So typically, a company that has a news media website, for example, is interested in gaining an advantage over its competitors by featuring its site content that is immediately relevant to its readers. So such scenarios like where the company uses the social media analysis on the topics that are relevant to readers by doing the real-time sentiment analysis on Twitter data. So in order to identify the trending topics in real time on Twitter, the company needs to identify in real-time analytics that about the tweet volume, the sentiment for the key topics, or in other words, they also need to identify a sentiment analytics engine that's based on the social media feed. So typically, social media analytics tools, it helps organizations to understand the trending topics, the topics which are the subjects and attitudes that would have a high volumes of post in social media. Sentiment analysis, it's a very powerful tool which is also called the opinion mining, which uses social media analytics tools to determine the attitude towards a product, idea, views, perspective, opinions, etc. With Azure Stream Analytics, we can implement such kind of social sentiment analysis platform by bringing the real-time Twitter events into Azure Event Hubs and then analyzing the data, storing it for quick visualization using Power BI. Basically, the real-time Twitter trend analysis is a great example of an analytics tool because the hashtag subscription model enables us to listen for the specific keyword using like hashtags and develop sentiments analysis of that particular feed. So in order to build a social media sentiment analysis model in real time, the solution architecture could be like this. So first, the real-time tweets that could be collected from Twitter by using any kind of app through REST API calls that could be built through C#, Java, Python, and such kind of tweets could be collected based on the keywords like Microsoft, MS Ignite 2017, Xbox, Skype, IoT, Azure, so forth. And then such kind of tweets can be pushed directly either into Event Hub or it could be stored temporarily into a CSV file in a OneDrive as well. But once the events has been pushed into the Event Hub as an ingestion part, there is a requirement to process the result. So of course, the data from the Event Hub should be added as a data input stream into the Twitter sentiment model Stream Analytics job, which is being added as an Event Hub for the input data stream to the Stream Analytics engine. And furthermore, We can also implement on top of that the machine learning functions as well, or alternatively from the data ingestion part itself we can integrate some kind of sentiment analytics API like Sentimnt 140 types of API, and we can detect in real time such kind of sentiments from the events that has been passed through or the tweets that has been collected, that has been passed through. And from the machine learning, once it is implemented on the processed results, the output of the processed tweets consists of the total count of the tweets with the based on the sentiment topics, or the total sentiments based on the tweets count, or the top trending tweets. So such kind of top trend manners or sentiment fits we could be stored either in Azure Blob Storage, or we can further just push it into the Power BI for building a real stunning visualization using Azure Power BI model. So such kind of solution architecture diagram is very much interactive for building up real-time Twitter sentiment analytics for using Azure Stream Analysis.